Alohomora. Expelliarmus!
Adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you, love you. If I may, if I may.
So, happy nining served the...
They served everything, actually. So this is their pesto pasta, 110 pesos. So in pesto, it's cooked with basil, pesto cream, shiitake mushrooms, zucchini, carrots, and a choice of tuna or bacon. So everything ni akit yung tuna ya pa. They'll be serving bacon very soon. So karang bacon lovers, karang meat lovers out there, nika option na kayo rin kening pesto pa.
So this is belly buster set B, pesto rice, gourmet sausage, and potato wedges. Ayan, makakakit yan. Only for 245 pesos.
Tanupan.
Siya, maranap ka.
This
Pesto rice.
belly buster set A. Yeah. Belly buster set A. At yan, sausage, at yan, pasta, and balamong breadsticks.
This is, mine is gourmet sausage. It's a choice from assorted gourmet. Oh my god, joke lang. Ito na.
O, di ko na.
Well, a choice from assorted gourmet sausages such as kielbasa, Hungarian, Italian.
Meto niya mong brand yan. Basta atin yung sausage.
Sausage siya. Gourmet social.
Inihin ka na ako namin.
Pesto rice.
So this is pesto rice.
How much? How much?
Potato wedges.
It's 110. So yung potato wedges at yung jalapeno. And
Rice.
among rice.
Cheese. Pesto flavor.
Ah, okay.
Wow.
Ano? Dalo na value.
Ating nga naman tuna ini. Ating nga naman
Yan naman tuna.
Potato wedges. These are their brand of fries.
With jalapenos.
Tossed in pesto, of course. Pesto flavored. Ating ang mayo, ating ang cheese, and jalapenos.
I like to love you, if I may, if I may. I like to love you, I like to love you.
I realize me na in pesto, versatile yan. So, kaya bit making nasi, bit making pasta, partner making sausage, king wedges, manya-manya pa mo rin. How did you come up with this?
The inspiration is because I turned pescatarian. I wanted to change lifestyle. I turned into a pescatarian. But I wanted to be happy. I wanted my food to taste good. Pescatarian.
Can we enlighten our viewers nung nano po yung brusabianan ninyo?
In pescatarian, mamangan niya mong fish, vegetables, and fruits. I don't eat meat.
Usually po tanga chuka ang iles mga yan. Mga pali, masigla, mo buri mamang kilog, albo naman, kilog, makayar ko lang na. Pero kapag sigo kening area na NEPO kening, perfect yung al fresco dining.
Kasi you're surrounded with green.
Oh, actually, yeah, ang pong ining lugar ning kalinis, sa pong ining so, mamang kilwan, okay yan.
Al fresco niya.
Al fresco.
Wow.
I like to. I like to love you every day.
Alright, Pesto Pot, Aguila City. If you like this video, please like it. Share yung reference yung karatang mahilig kay Pasto.
Comment down.
Pasto?
Pesto.
Karimamu, the Titos of Pampanga. Pailagay.
Titos of
Comment
Pampanga.
down below.
Lolas of Pampanga.
Lolos of Pampanga.
Millennials of Pampanga.
YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Sukamngan Pugen
At we the lock.
at We The Lokal. Of course, buy our shirts. Sila po available na po kayong Indo store. And if you want to support We The Lokal, just let us know. Mag-donate kayo po kitang coffee.com/WeTheLokal.
Thank you also
For
Wear
Kapampangan.
For our shirts tonight.
They're so pretty.
Thank you so much.
And
Thank you.
my watch.
May palagita.
Anyway, Victor, so kung karing mahilig kang pesto, this is the place to be.
Pesto
Pesto pasta.
Pesto
Pesto pasta. Pesto pasta. Pesto pasta. Pesto pat. Pesto pat.
I'd like to love you.
Nanong, para kaya kayo nanong masagli sabihin, 50, ay, 50 o 50. 50 o 50.
Gawa mo ng pitang me. Tuminagal ka mag-F. 50 yan.
Yan na 15 eh. Yan na 50. 50. Tanggapang mo na yun.
PIPTY.
If I may.